Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. Today I'm here with an unboxing video of the AKG N60 Wireless Headphones. So it's taken a great deal of probably patience on my part because I got these, they came in the bundle with my Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and I'm just now getting around to opening the box. Which is crazy because I've really been wanting to test them out, but I've been so busy with everything else, kind of got pushed to the back burner. So these are the N60 Wireless Headphones. They have active noise canceling and all sorts of really cool stuff. It says first class noise canceling if you believe what the box says. So they're Bluetooth, but you can still connect them with the cord, which is a big deal because you can get that 32-bit audio for the high fidelity sound. So if you've got an LG G7 or you've got some other phone or other device that does the quad DAC, then these should sound amazing. And I do have a G7, so I'm going to test them out and see how well they really work. So AKG, established in 1947, they've been pushing the earphones out. I don't know about prior to the Galaxy S8, but the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus, the Note 8, and now the S9 and the Note 9 all have these AKG specially tuned earphones. So it was only natural that Samsung did a combination with these AKG wireless headphones as a bundle, which is kind of cool. These are actually really nice headphones from what I've heard, and they seem to be getting really good reviews. So I'm super stoked about listening to them and testing them out. So here's a little image of the controller that's built into the cable. You can answer or hang up phone calls. You can press the play or the pause button, and then it has the skip button. If you press it twice, it goes forward. I guess you press it 3 times, it goes backward. There's quite a bit out of one button. So I'm curious to see how well that works out. Of course, there would be tape. I'm having the worst luck lately with boxes. Okay, now they are free. So the box here, face value in series, nothing else on the box. Got a neat little pull tab. That's cool. It's got a nice little soft carrying case. I expected these to be a lot bigger. Like, you look at this box, and when I saw them, I was like, man, this looks like some pretty serious headphones. So I'm surprised that they're this small. It's got a little zip cord here. I think the Msrp on these, according to Samsung, is like $300. I don't know what they are on the resale market, but they combine them. Oh, there's little plastic inserts they had inside the earphones. Got some documentation here, a cardboard cutout. Open this up. And alright, so we got a USB charging cable, a detachable 1-button remote with microphone, a flight adapter. That's really cool. I haven't been on a plane in a while. I absolutely hate flying, but if you happen to fly and you have these, you can plug them right into the flight adapter that they have built in the armrest. So that's cool. And this tells you how to use them. So user interface, right and left, you've got buttons on the right earphone so you can adjust the volume up and down. And then it's got a push middle button on the headphones as well that you can hang up or answer phone calls or play or pause. And then you've got the toggle up and toggle down button so you can change the tracks for backwards and forwards. And then here's the diagram that illustrates all that. So you got the buttons and the charging port. LED lights up when charging. It's actually a 2.5 millimeter jack that connects to it and then has micro USB for charging. So that's interesting. It's 2.5 instead of 3.5, which is the universal standard. So you got LED behavior right here. Fast blinking for pairing, normal blinking for no device connected, and slow blinking when the device is connected. So the magical blinkings will tell you what to do. Powering on, there's a power switch right there. You can slide that up for off. You put it in the middle for on, and then you put it down for Bluetooth pairing. So that's actually really convenient and helpful. So you don't have to worry about magical combinations of pressing buttons to get the Bluetooth connected. There's your flight adapter, so that's really cool. It's even AKG branded. I did not even know those existed, so that's pretty cool. Oh, looks like they have the cables in here too, somewhere. All right, there's a special Velcro pouch inside of here. Alright, so we have our super tiny braided cable, micro USB connector, which is what we charge it with. Of course, there's no charging base. Looks like it's got like this kind of almost brushed aluminum look, matte aluminum rather, not brush. It says AKG there. Some silica gel, totally worth the 300 bucks. And then here we go, we've got our cable with our controller on it. So you've got the 3.5mm headphone jack that goes to whatever device you're using, and then the 2.5mm headphone jack that goes to the headphones. It's kind of neat how these rotate inward like this, so you can store them in the little bag that it comes with. It's got good pivoting angles on them, so it moves around freely, so you can get it on and wear them for your own comfort. They swivel really nice. The quality and the construction on these is actually really good. It's got this weighted metal bezel that goes around each of the earphones, AKG branded. There's those charging ports there. You got your 2.5mm connector, your micro USB, and then here you've got your special switch, so you can do next track or previous track, and then the button here for power on, off, and of course Bluetooth pairing. And then you got the cool wireless N60 NC logo right there. On the inside you can look and see this one says right. Of course, that's for right ear, R, and L for left ear. And then there, the on-ear design. These cushions are actually substantially thick here. It looks like almost about a third, half an inch of depth there between the exterior, we'll call it the donut, the earpiece that goes over your ear, and where the sound actually comes out. So there we go. So you've got that new, not new car smell, but new headphone smell. So yeah, that's about it. These are the AKG Wireless N60 headphones. So hopefully you got one of these instead of the Fortnite thing that came with the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, because these are by far a better value. Of course, you know, if you got the other one, then I'm sure you got some cool skins for Fortnite as well. And then, of course, all the models that you got come with the really cool Galaxy skin for Fortnite. So this is it, ladies and gentlemen, the AKG N60 Wireless Headphones. And that's all I got. So y'all have a good night, and hopefully y'all enjoyed this.